This is a submission from the Council of Governors in recognition of the fact that the sovereign power of the state is exercised at two levels of government, that is the national government and the county governments, whose distinctness is recognized by Article 6.2 of the Constitution.
Maybe, Governor, to guide you to save on time, you have 20 minutes. Don't take us through the whole write-up.
Don't worry.
Just do highlights.
It's very basic. Taking into cognizance the establishment of the National Dialogue Committee to foster productive dialogue and consensus building in adherence to the Constitution and laws of the Republic of Kenya, we note that the committee will recommend suitable constitutional legal policy reforms concerning the matters of significance to the devolved system of governance and to the people of Kenya. In view of the foregoing, the Council of Governors, on behalf of 47 county governments, makes the following proposals. Number one, on boundaries, the limitations. The Council notes that the process of the review of boundaries is due, latest March 2024, which is the 12-year outer limit required by Article 89.2 of the Constitution, and the continued delay in the constitution of the IEBC, the body mandated under the Constitution to review the boundaries of the electoral units, is most unfortunate. We therefore call upon the committee leaders and political actors to have a chance, to give a chance to the selection panel to complete the exercise. We also call on Parliament to provide the required budgetary allocation to IEBC so that there are no further delays. And further, we urge that Parliament fast tracks the enactment of the County Boundaries Bill to provide for the legal framework for the review of the same. On B, proposed devolution-related issues for consideration by the committee. The Council proposes the following issues, which will go a milestone in the implementation of devolution for consideration by the committee. Number one, funding and periodic costing of the national and county functions. Pursuant to Article 216 of the Constitution, the Commission on Revenue Allocation is established to make recommendations concerning the basis for the equitable sharing of revenue raised by the national government between the national and county government. The Council of Governors is proposing that the National Treasury and the Controller of Budget be assigned the responsibility of periodically costing national and county functions to determine the basis for